Hey everybody, welcome to No Matter Garage. I got a little story here. Young missionary gal stationed over in Okinawa comes back to the States, see friends, raise some support. She's on a mission from God, people.
We're on a mission from God.
She's looking for a car. We borrowed her this one, this nice little Renegade 2019. Anyhow, she's backing up and Johnny the Jackrabbit mailbox just jumped out right in front of the back of the car. And she backed into it, put this little dent here. What would probably be a good idea is to take out the rear tail light, see if we can get access to the backside, and use like one of these rods, a paintless dent repair rod, see if we can pop it out. That would probably make the most sense. Are we gonna do that? No, we're not. What I have here is a Keco tool, Keco Tabs. PDR hog glue. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hook these tabs in a line right across this crease here. And then with this little tool, we're gonna see if we can pop that dent out. These are the Keco Viper Tabs. They're flexible, so they will flex with any kind of crease that you have. They're made for creases. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of that glue, we're gonna glue it right on this crease here. And then with that puller, we'll see if we can pull it out. We got some prep all here. Get to surface all the wax, any kind of wax or anything on there to off of there, so the tabs have a better chance of sticking. So you can see we have the Viper tabs attached to this crease. And now we're going to take this little gun here, it's not a gun, it's just a puller. And it's got a little gap here where the tops of these will fit through. Take some denatured alcohol and get off this glue here. So you got most of it out right here. We're gonna come back and hit this again. We're on day 2 of the dent repair. Ran out of light last night. So I used the Viper. Got about 90% out, 95% out. And now I'm working with some smaller Keco tabs just to fine tune it. I did cheat. I took out this rear light assembly, which is really easy to do. It's just this little simple bolt hole again in, and I got some access from the backside and was able to work on the crease. The crease on this thing was really bad. Got one more tab to pull on that seam, and then I'm done pulling. So I've been using a lot of the little tabs, like these guys. They work great. Super good on tail dents. Got cameraman Jacob now. Show him what you got here. What's in your other hand?
A block.
The little hunk of wood. Gotta have it the right way. Gotta have it like facing out like that.
Oh.
Okay. You're gonna slip your hand in there. By hand-eye coordination, you should be able to get an idea of where you got that block and pushing it up against the metal. And then you tap, just gently tap right along here. This little ridge line there. No more than that, no more than that. A little harder than that. See, picture when the hammer hits, it's hitting it flat. Nice and flat right that. Okay. So you keep working that for about 3 days, and I'll come back in 3 days and check on you, see how you're doing. You're doing great so far.
Pa? Is that you?
Yes, son, it's me, your pa. You did a great job. You paid for all your bad grades from last quarter.
Is that why I did all that?
Looks better. It's still got that nasty little crease in there. But short of sanding it out and skimming it and painting it, I think it's gonna have to work for now. Good job, Jacob.
Thank you.
So that concludes this episode of No Matter Garage. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next episode. We take a road trip to, where are we going, buddy?
Airport.
Road trip to the airport. Where is the airport going to lead us?
Seattle.
Washington State, to see your older sister.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see that on the next episode. Good job, Jaden.
Wrong name.
You can't tell that anything.
Really? You don't think so?
Yeah.
You can't tell that anything was there? Hey, how's this cyber quad working, by the way? Thumbs up, you like it? Is it fast? No, it's not.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
super slow.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a little bit. Let's see how fast you can go on.
No, I don't want to be.
You're already in the video,
I
pal.
don't want to be.
I know, but you are. So just rip down the driveway once you come back.